Hey, how are you guys? It's Dude from Ukraine, and today we'll be taking a look at the backpack by TwelveSouth. I want to thank TwelveSouth for sending this out for a review. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and this product is great, guys. Thanks so much. And so here it is. Just simple packaging. Shows you the product, the name, and then the logo on the side. Has a little bit of information, a few different languages. On the back, shows you a couple examples and a little bit more information behind the backpack. And on the side, it shows you backpack adjustable shelf for Mac. So there it is, and here's the packaging itself. Very nice presentation, and very simple. It does come with this little nice note, just tells you thank you, and this is the instruction manual. When you open it up, very easy to understand, tells you what comes in the box, and hang your backpack on your Mac. Just shows you how to do it step by step, and shows you the compatible device. It also shows you the assembly guide as well. So that's that. I'm gonna set that aside, and here's the backpack itself. We're just gonna flip this over like that, and I'm gonna set it aside. And there is the box. We're gonna pull this up like this, and as you can see, there's all the tips it comes with. The backpack comes with this little aluminum piece right here, and as you can see, there's already a plastic tip in there, which is for the Apple Cinema display. And as you can see, they are all labeled, and when you go back to your manual, you can check which piece goes into for which device. So it's very easy. It tells you how everything is labeled, and also it comes with cable ties as well, which is really nice. It's very useful. You have some extra cables hanging, or you want to tie down your device, just for extra security. So that's pretty cool. Set that down. Alright guys, let's take a look at the backpack itself. So here is another little thing they include. It's a silicone pad, very nice. It helps a lot. It has the TwelveSouth logo on there. So you set it down like so, and it just helps to keep your device in place more than it is with the backpack. It's fine when it's on the backpack itself, but this kind of helps you a little bit even more. So here's my Mighty Mouse, and as you can see, I'm setting it on top. It's kind of tilted down, and it doesn't slide down, so it does help a little bit like that. But you don't want to really use it if you have a device that has a fan on the bottom, or the air escapes from the bottom, like a hard drive or something like that, because then the air cannot escape. But TwelveSouth has a nice ventilation system going on the bottom, as you can see. Very nice. So if your hard drive has a ventilation system on the bottom of it, it's fine. Your air will escape through the bottom. As you can see, there's plenty of holes. So very nice ventilation system. There's TwelveSouth logo right there. It says backpack on this side. You can see it's pretty thin, and this holds up to 5 pounds. Very nice. There's a nice little wall going across right there. So if you set your device down, it will not go over that. So that's pretty cool. And here's the backpack. Also, each backpack comes with 2 of these, and you just insert your whatever tips you need for the certain device, like the iMac and the cinema display. So works pretty simple. Click right here to see the installation video by TwelveSouth. They have a really nice detailed video. So that's the backpack. Alright, I'm gonna show you how it looks on the cinema display itself. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my backpack already installed, and looks great, it works great, and I have it in this position. I used to have it a little bit higher, like all the way up top, but I decided to lower it a little bit for some reason. But you can also lower it down, all the way down at the bottom of your foot, but I didn't decide to do that just because it would, I could see my hard drive sitting there, so I kind of just lifted it up a little bit above the circular cutout for where you put your cables through. But there it is. I do have my little silicone pad that they include on it. My hard drive does not require all the ventilation, so I just put this on there, just I guess for a little bit more traction, or kind of keep it on there a little bit better. But there it is. Looks great with the Apple Cinema display. Also looks great with the iMacs as well. Alright, let's zoom out and take a look at my hard drive first of all. So there it is, guys. This is a pretty big hard drive. It weighs about 2.5 to 3 pounds. The max limit, like I said before, is 5 pounds on the backpack. And this is a pretty big hard drive, and it takes quite a bit of space on my desk. So the backpack is just like save a lot of space on my desk. My desk is not very small, but it's not very big. With the Apple Cinema display, with the stands, with the speakers, with everything on my desk, it kind of gets cluttered. So the backpack is a big saver. So you can see I can place it like that. I'm ready to go. Using the cable strings they include, tie up all the cables carefully, do a nice cable management system, and plug it into your Mac. There's all the ports are right here, so it's really easy to access those. I can also set my hard drive this way, and I can feel safe without falling down sitting on the pad. It kind of gives you nice traction, and I can put whatever else I want. If I want to charge my iPhone and I don't want it on my desk, I can just put it right here and it will charge. And just remember, the weight limit is 5 pounds. And I'm gonna set that down. Also, since my cinema display is angled sometimes, if I do decide to keep my hard drive on my desk, I can put my also Xbox 360 controller on there as well, because it's accessible for me. My display doesn't sit straight like this. It's in an angle, so it's really easy to access my backpack from there. So I can put my controller there again, like I said before, my iPhone, my iPod Touch, and pretty much anything else you have, extra on your desk, you can put it in the backpack. You can also have multiple backpacks as well. You can put one down here, you can put one up here, and put your hard drive on top, and then put whatever else on the bottom. Very nice product, works great, saves a ton of space on your desk. Depends whatever you have. If you have the bigger hard drives, this will save a lot of space on your desk. So guys, this is the backpack by TwelveSouth. Very nice product, very useful, and definitely worth 30 bucks. This is definitely worth 30 bucks. So check them out, TwelveSouth.com. I'll post all the links in the description and in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.